Hey, boys and girls, we're down here where we're going to go, but we're going to zoom out for just a minute, show you where everything is, get you used to Charlotte Harbor. We've got Port Charlotte up here. Fishin Frank's Bait and Tackle is right here in the Bear Furniture Plaza behind ABC Liquor and by Westchester Gold. This is Elgin. The Mayaca River comes in. The Peace River comes in. 200 miles of river streaming in. We got Punta Gorda. We're going to go down here. Burnt Store's down here, but we're going to Pirate Harbor. And this is a little short video about a little short lures. These are 2 inches long. And these 2-inch lures, the DOA Terroreyz, one of the best lures ever invented. These things are amazing. And the little tiny 2-inch, 1/8 ounce Storm Swim Shad. These lures are great for these canal tarpon. Now we're talking tarpon from 18 inches to 48 inches, even sometimes the bigger ones. They will hold up. You don't think so, but they will. The problem is they're not tarpon like you see in the canals or out in the harbor. These are canal tarpon, and this area right through here is where I see the most. But I'll go down, and I go a little ways down here, and what I'm looking for as I go and check them out, I'm not going all the way down through the canal because I can see the surface. If I don't see anything through here, I'm going to come out, swing around this edge, and come down and check some of these canals. What you're looking for is when tarpon are just kind of cruising, you get the surface of the water, they just kind of break the water and go under like that. You see that long fin? Those are the ones that are staying within a couple feet of the top. So you're going to take that DOA Terroreyz and you're going to throw it. And the problem is you can't throw at the fish because by the time the lure gets there, the fish is gone. So you get your fish coming up doing this and you're throwing in front of it. So you lure and the fish come together. So you got to throw like 5-6 feet in front of it and past, and then bring that lure in the first 2 feet of water. Now, if you're seeing those tarpon and they hump like this and they're coming real hard angled in a U shape, they're going right to the bottom. So you throw right on the splash. You let that bait go all the way to the bottom and then start bringing it back up. And hard hump all the way to the bottom, bring it back up, little rolls, cast in front of them, and bring it back through that first 2 feet. You will catch those tarpon down there, but these are the lures that will do it. You got the Storm, you got the DOA Terroreyz, great baits. Fishin Frank here. We'll see you on the next one.